Well, this is unusual of elections that I have noticed. I have participated. Nobody is pushing nobody. Yeah, everywhere is calm. People have come to vote for their candidates. And like I said, the exercise started around 9 o'clock and it's been turn by turn. As if people are waiting to take their turn. I just voted.
Sure. This is I can see APC, PDP agents. Yes, you have cast your vote. It will not be wrong if I ask who you voted.
Haba, no, that's private.
It's not private anymore.
Extremely private.
Okay, sir,
Extremely private.
do you have any word for whoever will emerge as the chairmanship candidate and also the councillors?
Well, what else would I say? They are going to hold the fort for the people, and they are expected to be people-oriented. They are expected to dot the entire local government areas within their capacities and their capabilities with infrastructural development and projects. So what else will I say? Nothing.
Okay, last from me, sir. I personally noticed some high level of apathy. I want you to address apathy.
Apathy is not unusual in elections. Some persons will decide not to come out to vote. Some children will take advantage of the fact that there's no movement to start playing football on the road. So it is like that. This one, are you going to define this one as apathy? Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very well, good afternoon.
Just casted your ballot. Just tell us, make an assessment of the election so far.
Well, I think people are coming out in their numbers gradually. You don't expect everybody to come at the same time. But the truth of the matter is that at least you have seen the crowd here. You have seen people that have thronged out, waiting for their time and their turn to vote. So that's what it is.
Okay, so how do you describe the process so far? Is it seamless? Are there issues?
Yeah, no, it's seamless. I can see that it's very peaceful, very calm, quite unlike other times when we had elections here. There would have been somebody pushing the other person and all that, but it's very, very, very calm.
Okay, how early did you start? Because I noticed a lot of polling units, elections started very late, and as of yesterday, USEC said you had already distributed votes on sensitive.
No, we started here before 9 o'clock. Materials arrived here before 9, and people started voting. A whole lot of people have gone home. We have to provide this, to make sure that there is some kind of shade and that our people are covered, So a lot have gone. The one you are seeing here are those who have not taken over this place. The initial people that came by 9:30 have all voted and left.